This is not an explanation. This is not an this is more of an order being restored. What was misplaced has been corrected. What lingered beyond its season has been addressed. What attempted to remain without permission no longer has a standing. Nothing is being chased. Nothing is being argued. This is simply the moment things return to where they belong. Listen carefully, not to react, but to release. Welcome to Truth Tellers Mike. Let the class begin. Some things end loudly, others end so cleanly that people mistake the quiet for uncertainty. And this is one of those endings. When something is returned properly, it does not get redirected. There is no alternative route, no emotional reroute, no spiritual loophole. A forwarding address only exists when access is still allowed, and access has expired. Not because of anger, not because of avoidance, but because the exchange has concluded. If something keeps trying to come back, it isn't because the message was unclear. It is because it was accustomed to unlimited entry. It learned a version of you that absorbed without question, received without limit, and carried what was never meant to stay. That version no longer exists. Clarity does not repeat itself for comfort. Once something has been named, it does not need to be re explained. Once something has been returned, it does not require commentary. Attempts at reentry often arrive disguised as being familiar, concern, pressure, or unfinished business. But unfinished business requires mutual consent, and consent has been withdrawn by you. This is not a wall, it is a conclusion. You are not withholding understanding, you are honoring finality. There are doors that do not slam, they simply never open again. And the absence of response is not confusion. No, not at all. Not on your part. It is the boundary doing its work. There is nowhere left to send this. The line no longer exists. The exchange is complete. What was returned has reached its destination. What remains belongs here. Nothing is outstanding. There will be no follow up, no clarification, no second delivery. Some burdens stay with you because they belong to you. Others stay only because you were willing to hold them. This lesson isn't about telling the difference. Not everything you carried was assigned. Some things were placed in your hands simply because you were capable of holding them without a complaint. Sensitivity often gets mistaken for permission, but ability does not equal obligation. What was never yours can feel familiar after a long time. Familiar does not mean rightful. Time does not turn misplacement into ownership. You are not responsible for returning with what you already put down. You are not required to retrieve what was handed back correctly. You do not need to explain why you will not pick it up again. Putting something down is not abandonment, it is accurate. It's placing it in its rightful place. And see, there are responsibilities that belong to the one who created them. There are emotions that return to the one who generated them. There are outcomes that cannot follow you once discernment is present. If something calls after you, it does not mean you missed something. It means it's lost its carrier. You are allowed to walk forward without bringing the past with you as proof of loyalty. You are allowed to leave empty handed when what was carried was never meant to remain. This is not detachment, this is correction. I will not bring this back with me. And after something is returned, there is often a moment of waiting. Waiting for acknowledgement, waiting for explanation, and waiting for something to be said that confirms what you already know. The lesson ends that wait. When an exchange is complete, there is not always a response. Not because it didn't land, but because nothing remains open. Silence is not dismissal. Silence is confirmation. See, people expect words when they are used to negotiation. They expect reaction when they are used to leverage. They expect engagement when they believe something is still owed. But nothing is owed here. When something reaches where it belongs, pursuit stops. There is no argument, there is no appeal, and there is only quiet. And that quiet is not empty, It is settled. You do not need agreement for completion. You do not need admission for closure. You do not need validation for finality. The absence of follow up is not injustice. It is the signal that the matter cannot be reopened. If there were leverage left, it would be used. If there were access remaining, it would be attempted. If there were entitlement intact, it would speak. Silence means there is nothing left to claim. Nothing else is required. Correction initiated, access ended, responsibility restored, and exchange has been sealed. And this is not a continuation. This is completion. What could attach has already been addressed. What tried to remain without consent has been corrected, and nothing followed you out. There are moments when people expect fallout. They wait for retaliation. They wait for imbalance. They wait for some invisible charge to appear later. This is one of those moments where none arrives. Nothing stuck. And that is not luck. That is discernment doing its work. See, you did not escape responsibility. You returned what was never yours to carry. And when something is returned cleanly, it does not leave residue. Some are taught to believe that stepping away always creates a debt, that disengagement must be punished, that relief comes with a hidden cost. That belief keeps people bound to situations long after the exchange has ended. But obligation only exists where consent remains. You did not withhold care, you did not abandon duty, and you did not leave something unfinished. You finished it by placing it back where it belongs. What is truly yours stays. What is not dissolves without drama. This is no reckoning coming. There is no balancing act ahead. There is no delayed response waiting to surface. Completion does not announce itself loudly. It settles quietly and moves on. If something were old, it would pull at you. If something were unresolved, it would linger. If something had taken hold, it would demand attention. None of that is happening because nothing stuck and nothing is old. This is what clean departure feels like. Not relief mixed with fear, just space where obligation used to sit. Thank you for visiting my channel. May your soul continue to be blessed. Stay covered, stay conscious, and stay undefeated. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye-bye.